When temperatures drop, keeping your hands warm can make all the difference whether you're hiking, camping, hunting, skiing, or just trying to survive your daily commute. In today's video, I'm going to share with you the 15 best hand warmers that deliver reliable, long-lasting heat, perfect for outdoor enthusiasts, travelers, and anyone who wants to stay cozy in cold weather. Number 1. HotHands Hand Warmer Value Pack. If you're looking for a classic no-fuss hand warmer, the HotHands Hand Warmer Value Pack is a top pick. Trusted by campers, hunters, and winter athletes, these air-activated warmers are easy to use. Just open the pack, shake them, and feel the heat in minutes. Each warmer is made from a blend of natural ingredients, providing up to 10 hours of consistent warmth with an upper temperature rating of around 70 degrees Celsius. They're compact, lightweight at just 1.9 ounces, and fit comfortably in your gloves or pockets. Number 2. Sport Temp Hand Warmers. The Sport Temp Hand Warmers bring serious value and performance in one box. You get 45 pairs designed for long-lasting heat and reliable comfort. These non-woven, air-activated warmers heat up within 15 to 30 minutes and reach up to 105 degrees Fahrenheit, making them ideal for skiing, hunting, or tailgating in chilly weather. They're manual, disposable, and chemical-free. Simply expose them to air, and they begin generating warmth almost instantly. Next up, we have the Grabber Body Warmers. A versatile and convenient option for anyone needing both hand and body heat. Powered by a disposable air-activated design, these warmers feature a polymer and vermiculite composition that ensures long, steady warmth. They typically heat up in 15 to 30 minutes and maintain that comforting temperature for hours, making them great for camping trips or long hikes in the cold. They're compact and portable, fitting easily into your gloves, jacket pockets, or sleeping bag. Plus, Grabber's reputation for durability and reliability makes this product a solid pick for outdoor adventurers looking for warmth on demand. Number 4. All Set Health Hand Warmers. If you need a large supply of disposable hand warmers, the All Set Health Hand Warmers are one of the most practical options available. Each pack includes 100 pairs, perfect for families, group trips, or anyone who works outdoors. Made from non-toxic polyester materials, they're safe, odor-free, and ready to use right out of the package. Just open, shake, and enjoy hours of consistent heat that keeps your hands warm even in freezing conditions. Number 5. Supu Hand and Body Warmers. For those who prefer high-performance heat, the Supu Hand and Body Warmers take things up a notch. Using a carbon fiber-based air-activated chemical reaction, these warmers reach temperatures between 60 degrees Fahrenheit and 158 degrees Fahrenheit, providing strong, steady warmth in just a few minutes. Their versatility allows you to use them not only for hands but also for your back, feet, or inside your jacket. They're lightweight, easy to carry, and completely disposable. Number 6. Warm Spark Hand Warmers. If you want consistent heat and flexible pack sizes, the Warm Spark Hand Warmers are a fantastic option. They come in 2 size options, either 10 pairs or 40 pairs, letting you choose depending on how often you need them. These disposable air-activated warmers deliver a steady temperature of around 135 degrees Fahrenheit, keeping your hands toasty for hours during outdoor sports, hiking, or daily commutes. Next, the Geelgree Hand Warmers are designed for anyone who spends serious time outdoors. These air-activated disposable warmers heat up within 15 to 30 minutes and reach temperatures between 130 degrees Fahrenheit and 158 degrees Fahrenheit, delivering strong, lasting warmth. They're made from durable plastic materials and come in a variety of pack sizes and colors, making them great for family use or travel. Each pack provides several hours of comfortable heat, ideal for winter sports, dog walking, or even long workdays outside. Number 8. Bramble disposable hand warmers. If you're after long-lasting heat with variety, check out the Bramble disposable hand warmers. Made from soft cotton material, these warmers are air-activated and reach a maximum temperature of 136 degrees Fahrenheit. They come in multiple pack sizes, including 10, 40, or 80 warmers, so you can stock up based on your needs. They're safe, odorless, and convenient to carry, whether in your coat pocket or gloves. With their comfortable texture and consistent heat output, Bramble warmers are a reliable companion for all your outdoor adventures. Number 9. Everlasting Heat Hand Warmers. The Everlasting Heat hand warmers live up to their name by delivering durable warmth and comfort. These non-woven, air-activated disposable warmers come in two style options, 40 or 80 packs offering up to several hours of heat. They're compact, easy to open, and perfect for skiing, camping, or working outdoors in cold conditions. The white color design gives them a clean, minimalist look, while the 30-day return warranty provides peace of mind for buyers. Next on our list is the Ignic hand warmers. Stand out for their eco-friendly and efficient design. They're powered by air-activated natural minerals, providing steady warmth for up to 10 hours. The brand offers multiple pack options, from 10 to 80 pairs, and even includes resealable packaging to preserve freshness between uses. With an upper temperature rating of 130 degrees Fahrenheit, these warmers are both safe and reusable when stored properly. Their sustainability-focused formula and long runtime make them perfect for hikers, skiers, and eco-conscious outdoor lovers. Number 11. Yoshenmo hand warmers. The Yoshenmo hand warmers. A great balance between compact size and long-lasting performance. These air-activated chemical warmers deliver up to 10+ hours of continuous warmth, reaching a comfortable 140 degrees Fahrenheit, perfect for those long winter commutes or outdoor activities. They're made from non-woven materials, ensuring durability while staying gentle on your skin. Each pack measures only 2.4 by 3.55 inches, making them easy to slip into gloves or pockets. Next, we have the Little Hotties hand warmers. A popular choice for athletes, skiers, and anyone who spends long hours outside. These disposable warmers can last up to 8 hours per use, with a peak temperature of around 135 degrees Fahrenheit. Each box comes with 10 pairs, making it a great option for extended trips or emergency kits. With consistent heat output and a trusted brand name, Little Hotties is a dependable winter essential. Number 13. Iris USA Pocket Hand Warmers. Now let's talk about the Iris USA Pocket Hand Warmers, a sleek and high-performing option that's extremely popular in colder climates. Made from durable nylon, these warmers offer an average temperature of 149 degrees Fahrenheit and can reach up to 158 degrees Fahrenheit at peak, perfect for those who need intense, reliable warmth. They're lightweight at just 4.8 ounces, making them ideal for slipping into your coat pocket or gloves. Whether you're watching a game, camping, or walking your dog, these hand warmers keep you cozy for hours without fail. Number 14. Librefeel hand warmers, disposable. The Librefeel hand warmers combine affordability, portability, and strong heating power. Using an air-activated chemical reaction, they maintain a steady 135 degrees Fahrenheit temperature that's comfortable and safe for your hands. Each warmer is made from non-woven materials, offering soft touch and excellent breathability. Their compact and lightweight design makes them perfect for carrying in bulk, and the reliable packaging keeps them fresh until you're ready to use them. Number 15. HotHands hand warmers. And finally, we wrap up the list with the HotHands hand warmers, one of the most trusted names in the industry. These classic air-activated warmers are made from a blend of safe, natural ingredients and provide up to 10 hours of gentle, consistent heat. With an upper temperature of 135 degrees Fahrenheit, they're ideal for hiking, camping, or simply staying cozy during cold commutes. Each pack is lightweight, easy to activate, and disposable, with no batteries or charging required. And that's a wrap on the 15 best hand warmers that actually make a difference when the cold hits hard. If any of these caught your attention, you'll find all the links in the description. Check them out for more details or to grab one for your next adventure. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss more smart outdoor gear and gadget picks like this one.